Hello and welcome to Relyence training on getting started with Relyence Failure Direct Connect. Relyence Failure Direct Connect is a unique way to integrate your FMEA and FRACAS failure information. It enables visibility from within FRACAS into your FMEA data for connecting failure information already cataloged in the FMEA. Additionally, if new failure data is discovered during the FRACAS process, that information can be relayed back to the FMEA team for evaluation and follow-up. Relyence Failure Direct Connect enables you to fully manage and control your failure information across the product lifecycle. This is the first video in a 3-video series about Relyence Failure Direct Connect, where the focus is on setting up Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FRACAS. We are working here in Relyence FRACAS with the drone example analysis open. It is assumed that you are familiar with Relyence FRACAS. If you are new to Relyence FRACAS or need a refresher, please review the Getting Started with Relyence FRACAS Help topic or Relyence FRACAS Overview video. As Failure Direct Connect is not enabled by default in our drone example, let's begin by setting up Relyence FRACAS to allow the usage of Failure Direct Connect. In order to set up Relyence FRACAS to support Failure Direct Connect, we need to add the failure data widget to the incident form and/or incident table. Let's add the failure data widget to the incident form for ease of viewing. With Incident 1 selected here for the quadcopter drone, let's click the To Form button in the toolbar. The incident form appears, and in order to customize it to include the failure data widget, we click Customize here in the top right corner. The Customizing Incident Form window appears. To add the failure data widget, we click in the last row of the table to bring up the field list, and we select one of the failure data fields. Note that you can add the failure data widget for any FMEA type you use, such as DFMEA, PFMEA, FMECA, or FMEA MSR. In our drone example and in this tutorial, we are using DFMEA, so let's select the failure data DFMEA widget. Once selected, I press Tab to add it to the form. Note that the failure data widget is customizable. To set up the widget the way we want, we click the Edit button in the Field section of the toolbar. The Edit Field dialog appears. The Edit Field dialog enables you to fully customize the failure data widget for your needs. By default, the widget includes the subsystem name, function, and failure mode data fields. These data fields represent data from the DFMEA worksheet. When these fields appear on the FRACAS form, they will display a list of these items from the DFMEA worksheet in this analysis. For further details about customizing the failure data widget, you can see the Customizing Failure Direct Connect help topic. For this tutorial, let's add the cause field to the widget as well. Go to the last line in the Data Fields table and click in the Data Field column. Click the drop-down arrow to bring up the list of available FMEA data fields. Select Cause from the list and press Tab. Now that we're done editing the failure data widget, we click OK to close the Edit Field dialog and return to the Customizing Incident Form table. By default, the widget is set to appear in the left column on the form, and we will leave it as is. Let's click Save and Close in the toolbar to save our changes and return to the incident form. The failure data widget now appears on the incident form. If needed, continue with the second and third videos in this series that focus on using Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FRACAS and using Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FMEA. This concludes the Setting Up Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FRACAS tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website or contact us with any questions or to obtain pricing and purchasing information.